this cable is the one that we are supposed to pull. Yeah, you can see. So this is the cable. I'm going to replace it. This is that one that has gone that side. Okay. All right. Okay. So this one comes there, goes down there. Nafanya application hapa. Hiyo ndio inaenda mpaka kwenye. So this one inatoka chini. So you replace this one. Okay. Hivi ndio ilikuwa imeshikanishwa. Unaona? Hii inaenda huko chini, hii ndio ya chini. Na hii ndio inaenda huko kwenye. Unaona kwenye imeenda huko. Sasa nitaivuruta. Na hiyo ingine ndio sasa inaenda huko juu huko kwa nini? Sawa. Mimi nivurute sasa. So this is the cable. Now we're going to slot it, to pull it on this conduit, this conduit pipe down there, so that it can go to the living room. Guys, I'm in the attic now, for those who might be wondering where I am. So we're going to pull this cable, go right there, into the living room, right? But we're going to use what we call a steel tip. This is a steel tip, so that we can pull it. Yeah. Now we are pulling the cable. We are drawing the cable. You can see. That is, I'm in the attic. Yeah. So I've already terminated. I'm going to use this one. It's called the T splitter. So this cable that I'm holding, is going to the bedroom. So it's going to come to this section here, this side there. So this side is going to the bedroom, then the other side on my right hand side is going to the living room. Then the upper one, the upper part the upper part is going to the aerial. So it's going to receive from the aerial, then divide it here, split it here to go to bedroom, and then go to the living room. So let us just join it. This one, let's just go ahead. Yeah, as you can see, I've already joined. This is the one that's this one, the one that is going to the bedroom, coming right there. It's joining over here, this one. Then this other one is the one that is going down to the living room. Yeah, passing there until down there. Yeah, now we already made the F connector. Now this one goes to the RF area up there. So let us just connect it. Yeah, you can see. Give it a firm grip. Yeah, that's sufficient. That's good. Now we route this cable to the roof. Come with me. Yeah, as you can see, I've already channeled it, or route it. Make sure it stays the right angle, as you can see there. Now this is the cable that was there. You can see. Yeah, so you can see this is a living room. This is the faceplate, the gold faceplate, as you can see. This one here, the female type connector. So that is it. So you need to do the termination, then hoping everything will be okay. Thanks.